What's going on, everybody? I'm Lex. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I thought I would give you guys a glimpse of what my day looks like while we're stuck in quarantine. My pre-puppy quarantine daily routine is much different than my post-puppy daily routine. It's approximately 11 in the morning. The boys are still asleep from their after breakfast nap. And yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna take you guys around from now until 11 tomorrow morning and give you a little glimpse of what goes on in the Ippolito household. So let's get to it. Zeus is up, but Zay is still sleeping. Hello, are you up? Oh, big yawn, baby. Okay, so puppies are kind of like babies, and you never wake them up when they're sleeping, because when they're sleeping, it's very peaceful. So it's 11:36. Usually they don't sleep this long after their breakfast nap. Their breakfast nap usually lasts till like 10:30, if that, because they eat breakfast at 7 and they go to the washroom and whatever. But it's 11:30 and they're still asleep, so I'm just gonna let them sleep until they need to go to the washroom. Look who's up! Hi, boys. Oh, you're such good boys. Hello, my baby. Hello. Hi. You gotta go pee? Okay. Okay, it's pee-pee time. Right, Zeus? Oh, yes. We're off. We're going to pee in the rain. Good boy. Go pee. Okay, we gotta clean your paws. Yeah. Clean your wet paws. Here comes my mom with the other geezer. Did he go?
He went pee-pee.
Oh, nice. We got a pee-pee. Hi, Zay. What are you doing? Hello. We write down when they pee and poo so that we can keep track of it and they don't go in the house. Right, Mom?
Right on.
What are you doing? Recently, Zeus learned how to do the stairs, so we had to block them off so that he doesn't run up them and hurt himself. Right, Zeus? Right. Oh, good boy. And now it's playtime. Zay is at the back door and Zeus is at the front. But I'm sure Zay will join us soon. As you can tell, they're very spoiled. Hey, how many toys do you need? When I said they were like babies, I wasn't kidding. We are literally watching Disney Junior. They hide under the table so that they can't get each other. Right. You're not gonna be able to do that for very long. Do you hear the birdies? Is that what you hear? The birdies? He's very curious. Excuse me, sir. You're sitting on my foot. Do you care? We'll take that as a no. Okay, it is 5 to 1, and the geezers are pooped. Nap time. Okay, it's just after 1:30. I'm about to have some lunch. My mom is in the pen playing with them. And yeah, then we'll take them out, take them pee again because they pee like 1,000 times a day. Can you stop dancing behind me?
I'm sorry.
Okay. Okay, and we're up again. Right, boys? Hi. The donut. The donut. Yes, the donut. Hey guys, Luke is here.
What's up?
Bud, give us a tidbit. How has your daily routine changed pre-puppy in quarantine to post-puppy in quarantine?
We get up earlier.
Yes.
I mean, I get up a little earlier.
Yeah.
Not
And
early
you
as she does.
Yeah, and you stay up for the midnight run.
Yeah. And that's, I mean, that's pretty much it as far as getting up. I mean, it's nice to, like, have something to do in quarantine, play with them and stuff. And, you know, they're fun.
They are fun. Thanks, bud.
Got you.
Ooh, you guys like the fridge.
They do like the fridge.
Hello. Who is it? Okay, it's time to put them in their crates. Right, Zay? Okay, bud, you lead us downstairs.
Okay.
Okay, Mom's just gonna do their Kongs with peanut butter. Oh, sorry. Oh, the bathroom door. Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Zeus has some with the bathroom door, and he likes to lick like the shower because it's wet.
Yeah.
We create them once during the day, and obviously when they sleep, so that they don't have separation anxiety from us or from each other, and they get used to their crates.
When we leave the house and stuff, right? They gotta.
Yeah, we can't.
They gotta learn to chill on their own. That's it.
Look at, he went in all by himself. Good boy, Zay.
What?
He knows that if he goes in his crate, he gets peanut butter. Zeus, sit. Sit. Good boy, Zeus. Good job. Here's your Kong. There you go. Good boy, Zeus. Good boy, Zeus. All right, guys, they're in their crates for their afternoon nap. They're not barking yet. They're distracted by their Kongs. Hopefully they don't bark at all, but it's to be expected. And we're gonna wake them up in about an hour and a bit to feed them around 3:30. And I'll see you then. Oh, it's awful out. This is Zeus's bowl. Here's his food that I have to drain because we put water in it to make it soft. And now it's dinner time. Look at my good boys. Good job. One playing on the carpet and one playing on his new pillow. Oh, he just fell off. And they're napping again. Hello, Zay. Time to wake up. Zeus is so asleep. Oh my gosh. Creep. My little baby. Watching a movie. What's good?
Hold on, boys, go for a ride here. Watch the corner, taking a wide, taking a wide, taking a wide, taking a wide. All right.
She's ready for bed.
Zay is ready for bed. He is.
Sleepy boy over here. She's sleepy.
They've been napping all day. But he is sleepy. What time is it? 10 to 10. You ready for bed? Oh, you love Bubby. Okay, it's 10:30 and we're just getting them ready for bed. Their lullaby is on. Hey Zeus. Here. Good boy. Alright guys, it's 10 after 11. I am going to bed. My alarm is set for 1:30 to let them out to go to the washroom. I'll see you then. And again at like 4 probably. But yeah, good night. I had to go to the washroom. So, yeah. Hey, Zeus. I've been napping on the floor of their pen with them for the past hour. And it's 6:30 now. And we're waiting for breakfast. They didn't eat until 7. Is it good? After breakfast tussle, we're out for our morning washroom break. This is the stat sheet so far this morning. Recently, Zeus is like obsessed with the supplement. Yep, the supplement corner, and he likes to knock over the little ones on top. I think he thinks it's a game. He also has a fetish with like this tag inside of his box, and so he just likes to chill in the toy box. Now time for their after breakfast nap. Zeus has the hiccups. This is my favorite nap of the day because they have full bellies and empty bladders, and they should nap for like 2 hours, so that'll be nice. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. A little glimpse into what my regular day in quarantine looks like. 5 to 10, I'm about to have breakfast. They're still having their after breakfast nap. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. And as always, thank you for living with Lex.